This is the 85282 Pin Insertion Plier. It's a special plier we had designed and had produced by Xuron for us. You can see the notch at the tip. That's where the pin will be going. And then the tip is designed with a half of a notch on each side. That's what's going to hold the shank of your pin and going to allow you to insert pins which are difficult to insert straight or otherwise. So Micromark sells a couple different pins. One is the 81844, which is a 3/8 lil pin, 3/8 underneath the head. It's got an 0.19 inch diameter. We have a 14315, which is another lil pin that's 30/2 of an inch under the head and 0.19 in diameter. These are difficult pins to insert if you didn't have this tool. Pins get bent, pins get broken. Frustration ends to mismodeling. But this, you insert a bit into the notch at the tip of the tool. You push it in a little. You can see it being held. Now I can drive this pin up until that's the top of the tool, slide back up the shank, insert further, and then I'm going to use the head of the plier closed to ram the pin home. So we're going down to our wood, and I'm going to insert. Open up the pliers just a little, slide back up the pin, insert, come back all the way to the head, underneath the head, insert, and then finish it home with the head of the closed pliers. And that's the 3/8 one. This is even going to hold the 3/32 one, 14315, and I'll show you that in 1 second. Okay, these pins are 3/32 of an inch in length, so they're teeny tiny, but modelers find many uses for them. So I'm going to load this into this plier. Slide it up a bit so that I got that much of the pin exposed. And now I'm going to drive this baby pin home. Release the plier. Drive it home.